Hey everyone, Scott here at MarineMax in Greenville. Every now and again we get some of these nice wave runners in on trade for boats, and this is a fine example of one. It is a 2022 Yamaha VX Limited with the high output 1.8 liter 180 horsepower 4-stroke motor. This ski rides great, has tons of power, comes with the aluminum Triton trailer and a Yamaha factory cover. Just got it in. Won't last long. Come by and see it today. This boat does have the Yamaha ride technology with the reverse and throttle located on the handlebars. Cruise control, digital display, Bluetooth stereo, comfortable seat, rear step bar. An amazing ski, a great engine. Come by and see us today.